Chicago O'Hare International Airport, 23 July 2006. The following operational error is a runway incursion involving Giant 6972, cleared to land on 14 right, and United 1015, cleared for takeoff on 27 left, intersecting runways.
Hello, Tower, Giant 6972 Heavy, mind DME, let's 14 right.
Giant 6972 Heavy Airtel, runway 14 right, clear to land, 1608, traffic will depart ahead of your arrival.
Clear to land, runway 14 right, Giant 6972.
United 647, turn left, contact ground point 9er.
Point 9, 647, hey.
United 938 Heavy, runway 14 right, clear for takeoff, turn left heading 040.
Clear to takeoff 14 right, left turn 040, United 938 Heavy.
United 1015, traffic lands departs crossing runway 27 left, position and hold.
Need about 2 minutes, United 1015. If you get the latest in position, that's fine.
United 1015, let me know when you're ready. Hold in position on runway 27 left.
Position hold runway 27 left, and we'll let you know when we're ready, United 1015.
It can be very easy to become distracted and lose track of time when you're on a runway and not ready to go. But not everything is sitting still. Giant 6972 has been covering about 3 miles a minute on approach. The controller is facing a myriad of distractions, and United 1015 is exposed on an active runway while focused inward on final preparations for takeoff.
United 1015, we're ready on 27 left.
United 1015, thank you. Fly runway heading, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff, wind 150 at 7.
Runway heading clear for takeoff, 7 left, United 1015.
Three different realities, 2 short minutes, and one very real opportunity for imminent danger.
Skyway 6927, runway 27 left, taxi in position and hold, wind 150 at 7.
Position hold 27 left, Skyway 69.7.
Stop.
Don't worry, we got him. Ready to hold up. Why did Atlas not hold short? Because he didn't say anything like that. Oh, don't worry about it.
It may not be constructive to worry about it, but all of us, pilots and controllers, can learn a great deal from every operational error and pilot deviation.